Fastfetch was working just fine in tmux a few days ago. How do I know? Because I recorded a video. Let me show you real quick. This is the video. Recorded it 4 months ago. If you go and check it out, you'll be able to see that I was using Fastfetch there inside tmux. I'm in my terminal here and I'm going to run Fastfetch. I'm in tmux. You can see that here. So let's see what happens if I run that. Fastfetch, here's the command. Notice that the image that should be there is not showing. Let's take a look at my Fastfetch configuration file. Just going to open it here. Is the file. Kitty icat is what I should be using if inside tmux. But you could be thinking that this is a Ghostty issue. Let me just disable this so that I'm not running tmux, and I'm just going to restart Ghostty. Let's see what happens if I run Fastfetch again. Okay, notice that the same thing happens. I'm just going to go to my dotfiles real quick, and I'm just going to open the Fastfetch file again. Gonna switch this to Kitty. Let's try in Kitty. Let's see what happens. Fastfetch. Okay, so this works just fine outside of tmux. Let's go into here again. Let's try Kitty Direct. Let's see what happens. Just gonna quit here. Fastfetch, and it also works fine. So notice that I was outside of tmux there, and it was just working fine. What if we give it a try with another terminal? Let's try with WezTerm. I'm in WezTerm here. Let's run Fastfetch, and it works fine as well. If I switch this to Kitty, let's see what happens. In WezTerm again, works fine. If I switch it here to, let's comment this, and let's comment Kitty icat. Let's run it again, and it does not work. Let's run tmux in WezTerm. Just gonna open my WezTerm configuration file. Where is the tmux configuration? Just going to uncomment this, close WezTerm, open WezTerm again. Notice that I'm inside tmux right now. I'm just gonna quit this and run Fastfetch, and it does not work either. Let's just go back here and make sure what we have, Kitty icat. So as you're able to tell, it does not work in Ghostty or in WezTerm, only when running inside tmux. If you're running outside tmux, it works fine. There is this discussion in the Fastfetch repo that tells you to use Kitty icat inside tmux, and it was working just fine. So I'm wondering, is it just me, or does this happen to other people? Well, it's not just me. Some other users in my Discord have reported the same issue. So I just want to know if you guys have the exact same issue and how you guys fix it. If you use a different tool than Fastfetch, just let me know. I'm not sure what the cool kids are using these days. Or if you have other ways of solving this, or if the issue is not happening to you, please let me know down in the comments as well. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.